Hi dearies, welcome back to my channel. This is Ahviworld. We have a very special recipe or topic today. Guess what? I'm going to show you in this video how to get your kids to eat egg without they knowing that they are actually eating eggs. I know that most kids don't like eating eggs. So if you want to get your kids to eat egg, follow this recipe through and watch to the end. Let's get started. At times I wonder why most kids don't like eating eggs. Really, I tend to wonder, oh, why? So I don't know. And eggs are very important in our health. Okay, they are an excellent source of protein. They are rich in iron. They are nutritional. They are rich in protein, fats, vitamins A, D, E, and vitamins 12. And they are good for children. Okay, they make kids to grow very well. They are the core diet that helps them to grow up healthy, strong, and smart. So if your kids don't like eating eggs, there are ways you could incorporate eggs into their meal as well so that they can start eating it. So I've been thinking of this for a long time, and I stumbled into this recipe and I was like, wow, I'm going to show it to my fans or my Facebook subscribers, my followers, so that if you have kids that don't like egg, worry no more, the solution is finally here. So what I'm going to do, I need 2 whole eggs. Okay, you could use as many as you want depending on the number of kids in the family. So I'm using these 2 eggs. They are already boiled, they are still hot, so I'm going to just remove the shell right away. It's still hot at this time. So after removing it, I hope we all know this, will I say beater or pounder, like a mortar. We use it to blend tomatoes or anything like that. So this is what I'm going to use. So all I will do just to cut the egg and put it inside like this. It's very hot. Cut it in like this. Then I'll go ahead and use this thing to mash it together. Till it forms a smooth paste. As it's still very hot, it's going to melt easily. Okay, if it's coming out, just use your hand to cover the top like this and keep pounding it inside. So now here's what I have. When you beat it to a reasonable extent, you take the next ingredient. I'm using these cheese. Okay, you could use cheese. If you don't have cheese, you could use mayonnaise. You could use any kind of cheese. It doesn't really matter. I'm using this. You could use this Happy Cow. You could also use this. It doesn't matter. And as the egg is still hot, so I'm going to press some inside like this. Not so much. This cheese is usually salty, so there will be no need to add egg into this again. So you just keep mixing. Believe me, if your child tastes this, he's going to love it. If your child is the type that likes sweet things, you could add a little honey to it. Okay, honey is also good and healthy for kids as well. So you could add little honey to it for them. So this is the recipe I got out. And I hope that you have learned something new today. Here is how it is. You could take it like this and just spread it in the bread for the child. You can see how smooth it looks. Wow. Spread it in the bread like this. Believe me, your child will never know that it is an egg. I'm telling you the truth. It will not know. And at times I think that the size of the egg, the way they see it whole, it tends to irritate them. Try this recipe out and thank me later. Okay, then for an adult, if you as an adult want to eat it, like me, if I want to eat it, I like to add a little bit of black pepper to mine as it's still hot. So I'll add some little dry pepper to it. Then I also grate some other ingredients that I will add. I'm also going to add, here I have my carrots, here is cucumber, my onion and garlic. Okay, you all know the health benefit of garlic. It can never be overemphasized, and each of them have their own nutritional health benefit. So I'm going to go ahead and put them inside, all of them, and mix everything together and have my yummy breakfast. So I'll go ahead and continue mixing. Now that it already mixed, I will just go ahead and use my spoon to mix them together. You could do this for your husband, is gonna love it. Okay, I know that there are some adults who don't like eating eggs as well, but this recipe, believe me, is wow. It's very nice. Do this and let me know in the comment section how your kid reacts to it. Okay, so now I'm just gonna serve it now and grab my bread and my tea, and I'm craving this already. I'm craving it. Wow. This is perfect. Very nice. Everything mixed inside, especially as the egg was still hot. It came out very nice. Wow. Try this recipe out, and please, if you have learned something new today, do well to give us a big thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you haven't done that yet, please kindly do that. Yeah, if I like, I can still add more cheese. Okay, it's a matter of choice. Then mix together. I'm doing it like this because I would like to spread it on the bread. Now, if you like, you just take the bread and open the side like this, okay? For your kids, you could use sliced bread, you could use this one as well, you can use a burger bread. It's a matter of choice, okay? So once you open like that, you could add jam first. I don't really like jam like that, so I'll just add little. So if your kids love sweet things, you can add jam. This is some orange jam. Just add a little. I will add just a little in it before putting in my eggs. Believe me, there is no way your child can resist this. There's no way you can resist this, so try this out and thank me later. So after this, I'll take some generous amount of this egg sauce and put it in there, or tuck it in there. So you could even make something like this for them. If your kids are the type that leave very early to school, you could do something like this that they can use for lunch. Just package it, put it in their lunch box, and that's it. This is it. So I'm going to leave you guys here because I want to start enjoying my breakfast now. It's yummy. I enjoy. Stay tuned for more videos till I come your way again next time. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. I remain Ahviworld. Bye.